Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the starting process of putting under cabin lighting in. I had to redo this outlet because somebody originally had this up there. I just cut that out. Sorry I didn't show you that, but see that where that hole was? Let me get my flashlight. But if you look up in there, they had the outlet up in there. So what I'm doing is putting an old work box in, right up in there. Microwave plug into that, and then our LED strips will get their power from here. So stick around, we'll just get some stuff done here. See, just that should be a 20 amp circuit on the microwave, but I'm not doing that right now. I'll update that later. Today we're just trying to get this fixed, and then we'll go from there. So right now I'm gonna take that box out. I got that box out of there. So now I get ready to put the old work box in and go from there. I get a drywall saw. Oh well, got that outlet installed, fixed. So I'm gonna clean this mess up and I'll bring you back whenever we start working on the LEDs. So stick around, I'll be right back. Oh, there's the finished product. No more hole, it's just plugged in now. So now we'll put our power supply plugged into that and run down the side of the cabinet. We'll have to drill a hole. I'm going to take it both directions because one strip I have to cut and add it there, run the power up to that power supply to feed that one, and then I'm going to come over to this one, come down, feed this one, and then I got to get, probably going to run on top of the molding here, run on top of the molding, down, or into the cabinet and then down. And I'm going to put them, we're plugged in there. Put them all the way down to here. Stop right here. I might figure out one there, but I want to be able to put a diffuser or something here. But for now, they're going to go right along the edge of this. Line it, shining light straight down. So that'll be in the next video. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And the next video will be installing the LED light strip. See you next video. Later. Bye.